Today was an extremely special moment for us as we opened this amazing library here at HB Ngwenya Primary School. This was done through a great partnership with the Learn Project, whose vision is to put a book in the hand of every learner, fostering a love for learning and reading, which ultimately will enable the potential of our country. Our communities are exceptionally important to us, and we feel extremely grateful to being able to have an impact here at HB Ngwenya Primary School.
This is our long-standing partnership with the LAN. The LAN is also in partnership with H&M as well as Itembalet. They are the ones who have funded the establishment of this beautiful library at the school, and the learners are really happy.
The Learn Project is incredibly honoured and grateful to have partnered with brands such as H&M South Africa. We are incredibly proud of the work that we have done here today, and this is a celebration of a library that is not going to only change the lives of the learners that it impacts, but the teachers, the parents and the community at large.